welcome to the detailed breakdown of our Highland reverse flow offset smoker. So what is reverse flow? Well, a traditional offset smoker works by creating a fire inside the firebox. So your smoke and heat that's produced in this firebox is going to travel through your smoke chamber, cooking your food and smoking it, and then exit through your smokestack and exhaust that's usually mounted opposite the firebox. On a reverse flow, you're going to notice that your smokestack is mounted on the firebox side. So let me take a look inside and show you how that's working. The way the system works is that we provide you with 4 baffles. So this is a porcelain coated plate. There's 4 of those inside the smoke chamber just underneath the cooking grates. And so what they do, in conjunction with your smokestack being mounted on the firebox side, direct all that smoke and heat that's produced in the firebox underneath your cooking surface, up on the side and around and out the smokestack that's mounted on the firebox side. So that it actually results in a much more consistent heat across the smoke chamber, and you even get some good radiant heat off of the baffle plates that help in the cooking of food. So it produces a much more consistent smoke chamber and smoke consistency throughout the cook. You'll also notice here a secondary plug that is provided, so if you did want to use it more like a traditional offset smoker, you have that option. You just unscrew the smokestack from its mounting point and swap out the cover, and now you have a traditional offset if you wanted to use it in that way. The other enhancement that you get with the reverse flow smoker is a stainless steel charcoal basket that you use in your firebox. So this stainless steel basket actually does a great job of containing the fire and making it more easy to maintain throughout the cook. So other than these enhancements, you're still going to be getting the same high quality product as in our original Highland smoker. That means 2.5mm cold rolled steel in your firebox and smoke chamber construction, all coated in a high temp paint. For cooking space, you get 620 square inches in your smoke chamber, 260 square inches in the firebox, for a total of 880 square inches of cooking space. You're also going to get our cool touch handle, our high quality temp gauge, and expanded metal shelf in front. And if you're wanting to learn more about those features, please check out our overview of the original Highland smoker, where I go into more detail about those features and the others included on this smoker. So that was a detailed breakdown of our Highland reverse flow offset smoker. I hope you liked it, and I hope you like this smoker. For more information, please go to oklahomajoes.com, where there's a lot more info on this smoker and the other smokers that we offer. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate it.